Eleanor.
Good morning,
Why
good
are
morning.
you smiling this morning?
Yes.
All right, Dems. Why are you laughing?
Because myself, every weather is favorable for
Okay,
me.
tell us,
Okay.
Mother. Tell us today the process of laughing. What happens inside our body?
Hormones that carry us through
Yeah.
to
Right.
open our mouth.
Right.
Right.
Without the movement of hormones, we runs everything to connect from the
Right.
and our blood veins.
Yeah.
Did
Blood
you?
cell.
So you
Hormones.
have to laugh non-stop for 10 minutes.
So for those who don't laugh, they have what? Little hormone.
Not that don't have a little hormone, but with different kind of laugh.
Yeah.
Some of us, when we laugh, we open our mouth in our face. Some of us, they laugh within themselves.
How? So
they laugh down.
So us.
So laugh within.
Just like that.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Bye-bye, eh?
Just smile nga, no loud
Right.
voice.
No sound.
So
sound.
Yes.
if there is a
Silent
laugh
killer.
down or laugh up, or open the mouth,
Yeah.
the hormone is at work there.
Yeah. The hormone
Yeah.
is within our body.
Right.
Our body. So there are different kind of hormone.
Here.
Some
Where's the hormone? You got the love hormone.
that's what you call we got different
Yes.
kinds of hormone.
Right.
There are so many. One is adrenaline.
Yeah.
Right.
What different some adrenaline.
Right.
So ano ba?
Athlete.
Adrenaline na bitaw dito.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are different.
Adrenaline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are different kind of hormone we have.
Yeah.
Over 50. Over 50
over 50.
hormones.
Yeah.
Yes.
Endocrine system.
Yeah.
They got our testosterone,
Yeah.
estrogen,
Yeah.
in our insulin, adrenaline.
Right.
Some hormone they usually happen this in the cow,
Yeah.
in our human beings.
Right.
Right.
Sometimes we afraid.
Yeah.
That's why we nangondolo ka ni mentadolo lomba ka na sudu ni bulmakau.
Right.
Don't let the cow afraid, because that the time they will release the adrenaline hormone.
Okay.
Kaya ando sungot bakar sindo release kirbali mo na sud.
Oh,
Because they are
okay.
in danger,
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Like they don't know you.
Yeah.
Eh? Like you are bulangi to them.
They are not comfort.
Yeah,
Right.
comfortable in
Yeah.
Yes.
So the hormone
Yeah.
will erna besuka na can release everything.
Right.
Because they are in
Oh,
danger na rere.
Right.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
As gang, if you want to love one another, don't force your love to somebody.
Oi.
If that one is in danger, kaya sige nitaw ko na ndondo mo ko.
Yeah.
They will
Nasungot si
be
Kuya.
yeah, nasungot si Kuya.
Awas nga ben.
Yeah.
So you got big hormone.
Big hormone ko sila. Obango, big hormone ko na yan.
So okay. So if we are afraid,
Yeah.
hormones in play.
Yeah.
If we laugh, hormones in
Yeah.
play.
Everything
If we
has-
are happy,
Yeah.
hormones in play.
Yeah, because the insulin we have
Right.
that runs everything.
Yeah.
So if our mind is not about takila, ni sini tahu ko na
How do you react?
will react in your face,
Right.
in your body, the way you move,
Yeah.
because that's how you fooding your.
How you feeling?
Yeah.
Oh, ano na, to talk about the camera.
Right.
Okay. If two people meet the first time,
Okay.
eyes connect.
Right.
I'd connect.
Hormones in play?
Hormones they are
Yes.
connect to.
Yes.
They are connected to whatever. If they are they are connected to each other. The hormone itself will be ready
Yeah.
Right.
to
Accept.
the hormone from the side.
Yes.
Yes,
True.
hormone is very
Yeah.
play a major role in our life.
Don't open
So
like
that's why if you need your hormone to work properly,
Yeah.
Right.
eat balanced diet.
Oh, okay, may.
Ikaw mo kana kakanan raw mo
Right.
kana balanced diet
Right.
Yeah.
from the three food groups.
Yeah.
You need to train. Mo dobo ko kuyango because if you care about your body,
Yeah.
you care about your hormone.
Right.
You care about your life.
Yeah.
You care about your future.
Right.
You care about how you care about your family.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
See this?
Yeah.
Oxytocin,
Yeah.
bonding love.
Right.
Right.
That's the hormone, the oxytocin.
Oy, nasa ni
Hormones,
hormone na oxytocin.
Right. Naurito lang ko ito na ilaw,
Yeah.
And kaya ka talita ka, na-release may na hormone niya.
Yeah.
Oxytocin. Yeah,
Oxytocin.
oxytocin.
Yeah.
Okay, how about if you are saying that, okay, my mind is going to somewhere else today.
Okay?
Mama Willie,
Yeah.
every time we talk, he
Right.
talks about the ladies, how beautiful the ladies
Yes.
are, this one, this type. But I think he's got no hormone.
He's
Oxytocin.
lacking.
No,
oxytocin.
he got oxytocin, but the oxytocin is statue.
Something is blocking
Yeah.
the release of the oxytocin.
Yeah.
What
So-
is that?
Sada tumbuh. Sada block.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why oxytocin is not occur.
So according to Momo Willie, what he's saying, everything he's saying is okay, but the road or the path
Yeah.
for those hormones
Yeah.
needs to be cleared.
Yeah, need to
Momo Willie kama maro sa matani kuwa sa taudo ko na kede
Right.
sa kitubo suga nen delini science na matani kuwa sa gibo suga ngoni salea mena ba so bataki mena we ready mero di connect na mero ni click na
So
oxytocin.
to our tabale,
Okay,
kamay Jenny.
that's Ratu Tau,
Yeah.
that imbu
Yeah.
have plenty oxytocin.
He got the
Oh,
oxytocin,
Yeah.
the adrenaline,
Yes.
the
Plasticine.
Simon and Banube to Joseph Avolai,
Yeah.
Litton from New South Wales, to Jerry and the family and the squad.
Yeah.
They are joining from abroad.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Adrenaline is lack in the adrenaline.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because that the mother,
Right.
when the mom is pregnant,
Yeah.
and maybe the mother is watching a lot of horror movies.
Oi.
So that's why pregnant women
Yeah.
refrain yourself from watching horror movies.
Oh,
or,
okay.
Yeah, if the father
Yeah.
is very
Bantu barote ko.
iya,
Right.
the fear within the mother,
Yeah.
the
Will
child
pass
will
on to the child.
Yes, the
Oi.
child inside is
Right.
feeling everything that the mother goes through.
That's why
Right.
we
Yes.
need to feed the mother in a
Yes.
healthy food because
Right.
whatever mothers do,
Yeah.
that connects to the children.
The healthy food and
Yeah.
even the feelings,
Yeah.
emotions,
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
If
Right.
if
Right.
mama cry,
Yeah.
baby cry.
Yeah. Nana tiko magaleba nang ni bukete.
So, Daddy, Dada, please
Yes.
don't make Mama cry
Yes.
in the pregnancy
Please,
period.
Yeah.
please.
Talking about the kids, when
Yes.
they grow up sa tubong amay, sa rerere, and this one, until now, yalo lebu.
Ya lo. Apakah doon
Everything has been done to him. Kubuin, roni molin, roni udi. No effect.
doon ang bulma ka undo pwede mo rito kung menakoro sa taseri tu ang bulma ka mano na karera bagin doon dua.
Yeah.
Mo misal doon ang bulma ka mano sin doon mano mano misal ikila.
Yeah.
Ya binakata ka mo to mo sa kira nga nakakila
He's
raw
got a
tu.
change of attitude.
Sa kaya tong gonata no lulu.
Yeah.
O lulu, ni sarong nga sa lakbang ko masari na mawe na si bubuto ka pang patinuay sa lakbang ko masari ng pambali.
Yeah.
Akin ang bali-bali o lulu. Lulu,
Yeah.
kung kayo bulang ngayon ikaw,
Yeah.
na matanggali bura-bura sa tubig ko.
Right.
Doon na singa lang doon kumomoya lay baka sa bunitok. Kaya ako na release ni hormone where naman umano.
Yeah.
Gong kay pakaririo ko me kaila bagi lulu.
Wey!
Hey!
Yeah.
Ni o lulu maile.
Yeah.
Kubu, ko nawalay ko rin daw tubig ko, tatabuka-buka ni Santo Mundo. Kaya nga na, ninda ka ko ninda wari na seo Raf, seo bosa pa Italia bir na
Yeah.
na bakilata nga nangone.
Right.
Iya, di
No,
na
no,
Sara.
that's-
Good morning.
Yan Rasia, Sunil Chan, da Simon
Yan,
Banube, sa mati may senyay, and matakabin na kanikua. Paano hindi mo na ka ng garabi-tabi?
Yeah. Eminoni, Binakbale Busara, good morning to the family. John Kumar, Jim Banibanua. Yeah, good morning.
May mati. Good morning. Lasu-lasu na tamatanggo.
Uy.
Nek yang andre drabi ko na oxytocin.
Iya.
Membalata na kaya tu na bulan na kaya tu na yang onda. Kaya release ta na yang onda ya na bugon da daurere, no da ndrendre,
Iya.
marau, sera rau, kaya kaya chico da kina na hormones dindui etu na yang onda. Sa kaya baka samta kina bibi kina titombu ni non tambuli. Na tamata tambu sa kaya ni. Na kaya go. Lalu rita ngababo sa ni rarawa. Se me gaina wani matana.
Right.
Se tava. Ndora ka chiku ka na yalo Pakai alotiko.
The feelings.
Na feeling.
Iya.
Mewakila na mosi na rarau na tangi na butungunan re na kana kai muida na ngasa-ngasa na tuituina na kata-kata na mata-mata ya oke na tambu sa kaya. Ya dapat kami nak cuba konito kinimbula. Kaya lo na bika todo ko usi binang garabita bi kito no bi kaningo ikimri na borong cuma na bi tapi du na garava. Era bi bron du na borong mekina.
Kaya basa mata ka.
Kede bi sa burbura.
Kaya basa mata ka so weekend na ando pa kaliwel ta ka tu nakar ando lako duru meso
Iya.
Lai baka hindo sa biatangi. Lai mametang.
Iya.
Kue sangat ko may pakading to pakading me na eso ninda tangi sa tao kay pakading. Mong kay se oy ko
El no tomoni.
engkon demis.
Like hat